Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Learn French, go to Canada. If you're planning to go to Canada and the target band is 8777 and you're having hard times getting 8777, you can add on French language, right? And then there will be some points of French language. French is the second language of Canada, right? With English parallel, the second language in Canada is French, and one of the Canadian provinces, Quebec, French language is spoken as an official language. So this video will give you an insight whether you can learn French or not. Within 5 to 10 minutes, if you pronounce these words clearly, if you repeat things after me properly, you can at least understand whether you should go for French language or not. And if you're going to like this video, we can make more videos of the same series. Okay, so now let's make a start. Please follow my screen, and we are just going to start some basic phrases, and you've got to learn them by heart as well. Now let's make a start with the first one. Bonjour. Repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Bonjour. 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 Salut. 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 Repeat after me. Don't sit quiet. Repeat after me. Salut. Translation is given. That's why I'm not reading that. Okay. Now let's go on. Bonsoir. 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 Coucou. 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 Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. À bientôt. 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 À plus tard. 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 À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et vous? 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 Now let's repeat all these phrases. Just repeat after me. Bonjour. Salut. Bonsoir. Coucou. Bonne nuit. Au revoir. À bientôt. À plus tard. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et vous? Okay, guys. Well, as you know, we've got one French language test, and that is what we call TEF. Test in French language, right? Like IELTS, like TOEFL. We've got one French language test, and we call it, DELF. Exactly, we call it DELF. I have completed level A1, A2 of DELF, and I did 1 year diploma in French language as well. Okay, so this is one of my skills. If these words are fine to pronounce, if you do A1, French A1, and you can prepare yourselves within 4 months for French A1, and A1 will give you the points, and then in IELTS you don't need higher bench score. If you want me to make more videos in French, I'll do that. I'll even make a complete course for A1, and then you can appear in exam and complete your A1. They will give you points of A1, French language A1, and then IELTS points, and this is how you can complete your immigration case. This is only for those who are planning to migrate to Canada. All the best. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.